Day 6 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. We are halfway through, guys, so well done for sticking at it. Today, if you are learning or have already learned your Yang 24 step, you will notice that I'm going slightly out of sync with the order of the stances. I'm going to do the Tai Chi movements of high pat on horse and double punch, leaving the 2 kicks for the next session, so don't forget to check that one out. So we're going to start in our bow stance, because in the Yang 24 step, our high pat on horse follows our single whip. So we're here in bow stance, we've just done our strike. Now our footwork here is exactly the same as white crane and playing the lute. So we've got the transfer of weight, we're tapping half a step in, we're transferring the weight into that back foot, sinking down into the floor and tapping into our empty stance. So it's exactly the same. Let's just practice that on the other side. So bow stance, remember that posture, guys. Keep everything relaxed at the joints, but have this core engaged and this high-low, like a piece of string being pulled from top to bottom. So I'm half a step in, and then I'm transferring the weight into that back foot, sinking the weight and tapping into my empty stance. So let's add the arms. So we are here, so we've got half a step in and our hands stay the same. We transfer the weight and we're coming to that V shape. Bringing the hand to ear, and I'm using the waist to bring this hand forwards to do my high pat. So imagine the horse and patting high on the horse. This other hand is going to come forwards and in front of the dantian here. Let's try that again. Half a step in. Transfer the weight V shape, hand to ear, and tap and pat. I'll do it to the corner. Let's try it on the other side. Half a step in. Transfer the weight back. V shape, watch the hand to ear, and then we tap and pat. Half a step in. Let's try it to the corner. Moving on to our double punch. So we're going to tap in to almost like a T stance and bring the hands to our hips with the palms facing up. Heel toe into our bow stance. We're bringing the hands round in a circle, gathering the fingers to fists, and we're punching forwards. Now we want to still keep this body nice and central to the weight. I don't want to lean forwards. Even though I'm going forwards with my punch, I want to be centered and in control here. So still think high to low with that body and keeping the shoulders down. We don't want this, we want it nice and relaxed. And we're aiming for someone's temples. So visualize a head and lots of focus on those fists. So let's try that. So we're tapping in, hand to hip, heel toe, round and double punch. Tapping in, heel toe, double punch. Let's try it on the other side. Tapping in, heel toe, double punch. Tapping in, heel toe. We should be able to put those two together in a little combination, so let's give that a go. Half a step in, high pat on horse. Tapping in. Double punch. High pat on horse. Hands to hips, double punch. One more time on each side. Well done. We'll see you at day number 7.